Contractions are a common way of reducing words in spoken English, and they contribute to a more natural and fluent speech pattern. Contractions involve combining two words by omitting certain letters and replacing them with an apostrophe. For example, do not becomes don't, I am becomes I'm, and they have becomes they've. Using contractions not only reduces the number of words, but also adds a conversational and informal tone to your speech. To practice using contractions, start by identifying commonly used contractions. You can find a list of contractions online or in various English language resources. Then incorporate these contractions into your everyday conversations and speech practice. Pay attention to the rhythm and flow of native speakers when they use contractions, and then try to emulate that in your own speech. Additionally, it's important to note that contractions are more commonly used in informal and casual contexts. In formal writing or situations where a more polished or professional tone is required, it's best to avoid contractions and use the full words instead.